Regis Waltz. We start the dance in open position. We're going to start with left foot for man and right foot for the lady. We're going to start with a step and point, turning strongly inwards into a rearward lock step into a fifth rear rotary turn to face a long line of dance again, and step and point. And turning strongly inwards into a rear lock step, a fifth rear rotary, we take up, open hold again. Now we're going to do a long line of dance, a solo telemark turn, followed by a 2 rearward glissades against line of dance. And a solo telemark turn, taking double hold, 2 glissades and a glissé against line of dance. Now on this point, the man will finish in the third position rear, the lady will be in the third position front. Because the man is now going to go backwards to diagonal to centre with a pas de bourse. So he's going to go backwards with a rearward pas de bourse and a balancé. And then going to go forward with a forward pas de bourse and a balancé, taking up ballroom hold, and we complete the dance with 4 bars of natural waltzing. And opening out at the end to start the beginning. We'll just show you those 16 bars all put together now. Right, we start step and point, turning inwards, and step and point, turn strongly inwards into a rearward lock step and a fifth rotary. Solo telemark turn and 2 glissades against line of dance, fifth rear position for man, and a pas de bourse and balancé diagonal to centre and back again, taking up waltz hold and complete the sequence with 4 bars of natural waltzing, opening out at the end to start the next sequence. We'll show that dance now to music.